news and events.
Welcome back. Temps right now still in the 30s, but once we drop out of the 30s, we are in round for Deep Freeze Part 2. Yes, we had the really bad one a couple weeks ago where we had the temperatures overnight that were in the negative double digits and the wind chills close to negative 50. Not that aggressive this time, but we will have 4 straight nights below zero starting tonight. And after today, at least 7 straight days with a high temperature doesn't even get up to freezing. We're talking below 32 every single day for the next 7 after today. And again, this all begins tonight into tomorrow with the below zero lows, and highs will be in the single digit to maybe teens for the next 4 or 5 days as well. So very chilly temperatures ahead of us. And look where we've been so far this winter. Going back to December 1st, only 18 days above average, 32. Where the average high temperature has not been met, it's been below. And we're going to keep that trend going because, again, at least the next 7 days, not even going to make it up to 32 degrees. So, yes, very chilly air ahead. 33 right now, feels like 23. The wind is picking up out of the north. Cold front getting here soon. Take a look. 33 in Rockford, 19 in Madison. That is the temperature difference right now, and that is the air moving in our direction, slowly shuffling in from Canada. Green Bay at 13. Duluth right now at 0. Canadian temperatures even colder. This is the air mass moving in. You see negative teens, negative 20s. For us, not going to be that cold, but we are going to see again our days in the single digits and our nights in the negative. And this goes straight through Thursday and takes over a good chunk of the country. The far eastern 2/3 of the U.S. going to be below average through Thursday or Friday again. So deep freeze part 2 in the forecast. Not as bad as the first one, but it's definitely going to be cold, especially overnight into the mornings. Now here's our cold front that's bringing the leading edge of all of this chilly air toward us. We're going to see the chance for a few light snow showers as this moves on in, maybe a dusting in some spots, but we'll look real quick to see how close to home the snow actually is, and it is kind of getting a little bit closer as we speak. You can see as far north as Madison, or as far south as Madison, next to the path of this system off toward the west. So for us, this is very scattered in nature. It is going to be very light, not much really to worry about. Again, it's the temperatures behind this cold front. Future Track going to show you when this moves on through, and it's the next few hours. And once it does, that's when the really chilly stuff gets here. Again, a little chance for a little bit of snow. Then tomorrow, high pressure builds in. That means no clouds, no chance for precip, but pretty windy and very cold, bringing in Canadian air. So how does this set up? Temps dropping throughout the afternoon. So the mid-afternoon temperature going to be at about 27. We're going to cloud up. The sunshine going to be gone, so mostly cloudy. Tonight, -4 for the low temperature. That's not taking into account the wind. With the wind chill, negative double-digit chills. Tomorrow only up to 4, so still very cold. And again, this is not going to be as bad as last time, but take a look. It's going to hang around for a while. We have 4 straight nights in the negative. So we've been through this before, and it was a little bit worse last time. Yeah. But that doesn't mean you should not take the precautions we took last time. The gloves, the hat, the whole 9 yards. Just because we've dealt with it once doesn't mean the second time's not going to be as dangerous.
Yeah, and I mean, it is still January, and it's kind of December, January, February. You can just kind of mark that on your calendar
as the 3 coldest months we have. Yeah, it's a meteorological winter. The coldest 3 months. We're already halfway through those, though, at least.
There you go. There's the silver lining.
We try to find one at least every forecast, and there it is, yeah.
All right, thanks, Greg. Coming up, Howard's got something tasty for us in the test kitchen. Check it out.
We're celebrating Martin Luther King Day with a special Southern classic,